3 over 5 between parentheses to the third will be 3 to the third over 5 to the third, and 3 to the third will be 3 times 3 times 3, 5 to the third, 5 times 5 times 5, 9 times 3, 27, 25 times 5, 125. 2/3 to the negative 2, we're going to flip 3 over 2 and change the sign of the exponent, positive 2, and 3 to the second over 2 to the second is 9 over 4. 1/3 between parentheses to the second will be 1 to the second over 3 to the second, which is 1/9. 10 over 7 to the negative 2, we flip 7 over 10, change the sign of the exponent, positive 2. It'll be equal to 7 squared over 10 squared, which is 49 over 100. We're going to simplify the practice problem in example 8. Negative 4 times 7 will be negative 28. X squared times x cubed, 2 plus 3, 5, x to the 5th. And y cubed times y, 3 plus 1, 4. Negative 28, x to the 5th, y to the 4th. X to the 5th to the negative 3, x to the negative 15, 2 to the negative 3, and y to the negative 3 times negative 3, y to the 9th. Now, 1 over 2 to the negative 3 will be 2 to the positive 3 as a numerator. X to the negative 15, 1 over x to the 15, and y to the 9th. 2 to the third is 8. Our answer is 8 over x to the 15, y to the 9. 2x to the 4th between parentheses to the negative 2 will be equal to 1 over 2x to the 4th to the second, which is 1 over 2 to the second, which is 4, and x to the 4 times 2, which is 8. X to the second times negative y cubed. Negative y between parentheses cube is negative y times negative y times negative y, which is positive y squared times negative y, which is negative y cubed. X cubed times y to the 2 times 3, y to the 6. X squared over x cubed, 1 over x. Negative y cubed over y to the 6. Negative 1 over y, 6 minus 3, y cubed. The answer is negative 1 over x times y cubed. Scientific notation used primarily to write very large or very small numbers. consists of the product of a number smaller than 10, but no smaller than 1 and a power of 10. C times 10 to the nth power. N is an integer. Write as a scientific notation 37,600,000. We're going to place our decimal between 3 and 7. So we have 3.76 times a power of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we count the digit after the decimal point, 10 digits. So it's 3.76 times 10 to the 10th power. For B, we'll place our decimal point between 3 and 4, and we're going to count the digit going left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's going to be 10 to the negative 9. The answer is 3.44 times 10 to the negative 9. A will be 4.21, and we count the digit to the right. 10 to the 5th, 5 digits to the right. For 10, it's 1 times 10 to the 1st. For 3.621, it'll be 3.621 times 1. And 1 is 10 to the power of 0. 3.621 times 10 to the power of 0. We're going to place the decimal point between 5 and 6, 5.61, and we're going to count the digits to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 10 to the negative 4.